The most common garage door problems that Silverlake garage door repairmen face are the door won't open or close, the door opener is broken, the door is off the track, the door is noisy, the door is drafty, the remote control doesn't work, and the keypad doesn't work. What kind of maintenance do garage doors need? It is important to have your garage door serviced regularly to ensure that it is functioning properly. You should have a professional service the door at least once a year. This will help to prolong the life of your door and prevent costly repairs. How do you fix a garage door that keeps going up and down? If your garage door is going up and down on its own, it could be due to a few different issues. The first, check to see if the door is properly balanced. If the door is significantly heavier on one side, it will likely cause the door to open and close on its own. You can adjust the springs yourself or hire a professional to do it for you. Another possible issue could be the door opener itself. If the opener is damaged or not properly functioning, it could cause the door to open and close erratically. Try unplugging the opener and plugging it back in to see if that resets it. If your garage door is still acting up, it's best to call a Silverlake professional. How do you reset garage door sensors? If your garage door sensors are not working properly, you can try setting them. To do this, first unplug the garage door opener. Then disconnect the sensors from the opener and reconnect them. Once they are reconnected, plug the opener back in and try opening and closing the door. If the sensors still are not working, you may need to help replacing them. Do you lubricate garage door tracks? Lubricating your garage door tracks can help them keep clean and working properly. To lubricate the tracks, first remove any debris or dirt that is on them. Then apply a thin layer of lubricant to the tracks. You can use a variety of different lubricants, but WD-40 is the best. How many years can you expect a garage door opener to last? The average garage door opener should last about 10 to 15 years. However, this will vary depending on the quality of the opener and how often it is used. If you use your garage door frequently, you may need to replace your opener sooner than if you only use it occasionally. When should you replace your garage door? You should replace your garage door when it becomes damaged or starts to show signs of wear and tear. If the door is warped and dented, it will be less energy efficient and may not operate properly or smoothly. If you notice any cracks in the door or frame, it's time to replace the door. Silverlake Garage Door Repair is here to help you if you have any further questions.